In this chapter, let us learn about NumPy creating arrays. Create a NumPy end array object. NumPy is used to work with arrays. The array object in NumPy is called end array. You can create a NumPy end array object by using the array function. See the example. Import NumPy as np array and np dot array. See here. This built-in Python function tells us the type of object passed to it. Like in above code, it shows the array is NumPy end array type. To create an end array, you can pass a list tuple or any array like object into the array method and it will be converted into the end array. See the result returns this. Use a tuple to create a NumPy array. If you use tuple to np.array, the result returns this. Dimensions in arrays. A dimension in arrays is one level of array depth nested arrays. Nested arrays are arrays that have arrays are their elements. See 0D arrays. 0D arrays or scalars are the elements in array. Each value in array is a 0D array. See here, import NumPy as np, say 42. See here, the code returns this. An array that has 0D arrays as its elements is called unidimensional or 1D array. These are the most common and basic arrays. See the create a 1D array containing the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, if you execute the code like this, the result returns this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2D arrays. An array that has 1D array as its elements is called a 2D array. These are often used to represent matrix or second order tensors. NumPy has a whole sub-module dedicated towards matrix operations called numpy.mat. Example, create a 2D array containing two arrays with the values 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. See here, we have created this one, the result returns this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3D arrays. An array that has 2D arrays matrix as its elements is called 3D array. These are often used to represent a third order tensor. See the example, create a 3D array with 2D arrays both containing two arrays with the values 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. See here, if you execute the code, the result returns this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check number of dimensions. NumPy arrays provides the ndim attributes that returns an integer that tells us how many dimensions the array have. See, it shows the dimensions. If you check how many dimensions the array have, if you execute this code like this, the result returns 0, 1, 2, 3, E. Higher dimensional arrays. An array can have any number of dimensions. When the array is created, you can define the number of dimensions by using the ndim argument. See, import NumPy as np. See, ndim argument, we use that. See, the result return this number of dimensions is to 5. In this array, the innermost dimension fifth dim has 4 elements. The fourth dim has 1 element, that is a vector. The third dim has 1 element, that is a matrix with a vector. The second dim has 1 element, that is 3D array, and first dim has 1 element, that is a 4D array. See that answer result. Okay friends, this is the end of part 3, creating arrays. In next video, let us learn about another topic, arrays indexing. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.